In evolutionary biology, the island rule explains how isolation shifts a species' body size. When animals are confined to an island, their dimensions change based on new environmental pressures. First, consider island gigantism. This typically occurs in small animals, like rodents. On the mainland, these creatures stay small to hide from predators. However, many islands lack these threats. Without the need to hide, and with less pressure to reproduce rapidly, these species often evolve much larger bodies. Conversely, island dwarfism affects large mammals, such as elephants. While a large body is useful on a continent, island resources like food are strictly limited. Because large bodies require more fuel to survive, smaller individuals, who need less food, have a better chance of reproducing. Over time, the entire population shrinks to become more efficient within a small habitat.
In materials science, we often look for ways to make everyday products more sustainable. One fascinating area of research is mycelium packaging. Mycelium is essentially the root structure of mushrooms. It consists of a dense network of thread-like fibers that grow quickly and act as a natural glue. To create packaging, manufacturers take agricultural waste, like corn husks or wood chips, and mix it with mycelium spores. Over a few days, the mycelium grows around the waste, binding it together into a solid, durable shape. This material can then be molded into various forms, such as protective corners for shipping electronics, or even insulated coolers. The primary advantage here is environmental. Unlike traditional plastic foam or styrofoam, which can take centuries to decompose, mycelium packaging is completely biodegradable. You can literally break it into pieces and bury it in a garden, where it turns into compost within weeks. While it is currently slightly more expensive to produce at a large scale than plastic, the reduction in landfill waste makes it a revolutionary alternative for the future of shipping.